Okay, the next part of the lesson is to figure out, whether or not the solution itself is soluble or not soluble. So by looking at the molarity concept, we were able to figure out how many moles of solute and how many liter of solution is, and how much make that. So if we were to determine if lithium nitrate is actually going to be insoluble in the water, first we need to know that this is an ionic compound, which means that when it dissolves in water, it breaks it down into cation and anion. Okay, these are the two ions. So cation, anion is a negative charge. So we're gonna have to figure out how many, whether or not this compound itself are soluble or insoluble. Look at this one right here, where it says solubility of common ionic compounds in water. Because what we do dissolve a solute in solvent, which is water. Go ahead and look at nitrate. So all nitrate ions are soluble, so which means that this compound by itself are already soluble. Okay, let's talk about the other one, which is lead iodide. Dissolve in water. Break it down to lead 2 plus iodide minus. So that when we do crisscross, is that how we get PbI2. That's how we got it. So now we need to be able to look at the cation and anion first. We will look at the anion first, because most likely that anion itself will determine whether or not the compound is soluble. Anion soluble except this compound. We're gonna have to figure out if this one matches the following three. Yes, it comes with that, so it is insoluble. And let's look at how we do dilutions, okay? M1V1 equal to M2V2. M, which is molarity, V, volume, same thing. 15 molarity in 0.1 liter. How much molarity would be in 0.5 liter? So this one has more, so we dilute it. What would happen to our concentration? It should be lower. So you're gonna have to do that one by, divide that one by 0.5. These are three different numbers, so if I were you, I would go ahead and plug in the number by using calculator. 15 times 0.1 divided by 0.5, and that should give me the answer of 3. So it is confirmed that when you diluted the solution, more of the solute dissolves